Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if your Windows 11 laptop's battery is draining quite quickly, then you can review the apps that are consuming the most power. Because Windows 11 has built-in tools that allow you to view the battery usage history of your installed apps. And the benefit of this would be is you are able to see what app has used the most amount of battery power, and then obviously you can take the steps to adjust that accordingly. So how we do this on Windows 11, I would say the simplest would be just to head to your settings app, and if you don't know where settings is, just do a search. But in settings, we navigate to our system, and you would click on power and battery, and here you'll see battery usage. Click on that. Now if we scroll down here, you will see your battery levels, but time period is last 24 hours or last 7 days. I'll keep it at default for now. And then if we scroll down, here we can see that over the last 24 hours, my system is consuming the most battery, 65%, and Windows Explorer, which is basically the shell of the operating system, which is your taskbar, start menu, the file explorer, and so on, is using the second most amount of battery at 29%. And then if we just head up again, we can change that to last 7 days, which gives us a kind of a wider perspective. And the same applies. System and Windows Explorer are using the most battery percentage. And something else is that beneath each app, you'll find the app's current as well as background battery usage. So here we've got in use 0%, less than 1 minute ago. Background is 58%. So you can just check that out below each of those actual apps, which I think is a nice bit of information that it does give you. And if you'd like to sort the apps, here in the top right, overall usage is the default. You can click in use, background, or by name. So you've got a bit of option there, which I think is great. And then if you want to prevent an app from running in the background and consuming the battery power, next to the app on the list, you can click the 3 dots. But you'll notice, though, that obviously System and Windows Explorer are deeply integrated components of Windows 11. So that 3-dotted menu is grayed out. But Windows Experience, Feature Experience Pack, as an example, if we click on More Options, the 3-dotted menu, you can see Manage Background Activity. And this will take you into the app settings, and you can change that. I think it will be Power Optimized recommended by default. You can change that to Never. Now, just on a side note with background apps, I have posted a video on the channel, which is actually my most popular and most viewed video on BrenTech, how to turn background apps off in Windows 11. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. It's helped a lot of folks out, and it's actually very useful in boosting your system. So giving you a little bit of a tweak and a speed adjustment. And that will apply to both Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen. And then it goes without saying that if you don't use an app anymore on your PC, I would suggest that it's a good idea to uninstall that app and get rid of it completely. And how we would do this is we would head into our apps, installed apps, and as an example, you could just click on the 3-dotted menu, find the app you don't want, and click on uninstall, and that will uninstall it from your system and also free up a little bit of resources. And I would strongly suggest, if you're not using any apps and you are seeing that for the battery usage under power and battery, that they are maybe consuming a lot of your battery, then it would be a good idea to get rid of those different apps. So that's just a quick way how you can check which apps are draining or using up your battery on Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.